absolutely lovely view of the Skyliner in the morning. It's such a peaceful way to travel. It's really quiet when you're on it. It's lovely. Across the lake. I think it's about 7:10 now, and on our way to the Animal Kingdom today. It's a beautiful walk through here. So, art of animation. Yeah. Certainly recommend it. If you've got, especially if you've got little ones. It's so well themed. But we're also glad we've got the car, because then we can at least go off site and do more things, and particularly food. The food's alright at the restaurant, whatever you call it, but we've been able to get out and do some real good restaurants and stuff, and definitely worth it. But it's the convenience of that Skyliner, and the buses are fantastic. Do make it so much easier. And meet Vicky. Got the turtle on front. Hey there. As I was saying, I actually do love that spirit jumper. But yeah, have you ever agreed?
Huh? Yeah, but yeah.
But yeah, don't really want to pay $79 for it.
Okay, here we go. Let's go now.
I say a cool trick-or-treating.
They do have lovely stuff in here, but it's just the prices, unfortunately. So, QFAT Magic Kingdom. Thankfully, we're off to Animal Kingdom. Yeah, and the handy thing is with the car park for your car here, you can park all the way around to where you are staying, which is really good. There we are, Animal Kingdom. Looking forward to this?
Yeah.
What ride are you looking forward to then?
I think you can guess.
Don't they have Dumbo here?
No, that's Magic.
Well, Dumbo's an elephant. Surely
They should have Dumbo.
Dumbo belongs at Magic Kingdom, doesn't he?
It belongs to Magic Kingdom. It's a dragon, an elephant, and a dinosaur. I'm most looking forward to Flight of Passage.
Flight of Passage then, yeah.
In Avatar, the world of... In Pandora, the world of Avatar. Not Avatar, the world of Pandora.
Okay. There we go. What's coming around the corner?
Tree of Life! Here we go!
You're excited?
Yeah! Of course I am!
Cool.
Raj is very excited as well!
Oh, is he? Okay.
It's giant!
What is?
The floating rocks! They're giant!
shape, was it? That freed the queue up a bit. As soon as everyone stopped for that.
Okay, Dr. Stevens, they're ready.
Can everyone see me? You're going to have a chance to undertake an amazing Navi rite of passage, flying on the back of this powerful animal called an Ikron, or as we call it, a Banshee. But first, we have to scan you for Pandoran microparasites. Alright everyone, stay on your number and move your arms a bit. Okay, start scan.
We're all clear.
Great. Now let's go over how all this works.
When you follow our technician into the link chamber, you'll see a series of 16 link chairs. Please go to the number that matches the number you're standing on. This should include all bags, cameras, and other items, including cell phones. Then get onto the chair as you would a bike. Straddle the seat, step forward, and sit down. Slide your hips forward until you are against the chest pad. After you're seated, back and leg restraints will be firmly engaged.
Rise to the challenge. Good luck.
What did you reckon to that then, Ella?
Enjoy flying? Yeah.
How did it feel? Worth the wait? Cool.
It's decent length the wait, isn't it?
Yeah, I mean, it was a long way, but
But it was a decent length ride.
yeah.
It wasn't
Oh,
really
yeah.
done quickly.
No, it's right. I mean, it's what, 4.5, nearly 5
Yeah,
minutes.
you don't mind waiting that long when
Yeah.
it's a decent length. When it's over and done within
But
like 2 seconds, then that's what.
If you get the chance to look up, I mean, the
I was looking all round.
yeah, the technology. Like I say, it's similar to storing.
Yeah.
They just stacked on top in pods,
Yeah, I did see.
and that kind of. I mean,
We were
plus
already in
cost.
pods, but we've got about
So
4
much.
above us and 1 below us.
Yeah, it's huge, unbelievable.
It is amazing.
The technology they've got is just incredible.
Clever. There we go.
So, you glad we brought you here then?
Ella, you glad?
Yeah.
Okay.
Looks like frog spawn. How
Passion
lovely.
fruit. Careful. It's like,
Okay, tastes better than it looks. Give it out.
Loads of those.
oh, it's nice flavour.
It's really cool because I say a minute ago and there was just parrots just randomly flying by.
Parrots.
Yeah, just flying overhead.
Real ones.
No, remote controlled ones. Time for Everest.
Yeah. Oh, that is a huge collar. I thought you said it was smaller than the Vinjani.
It is.
That drop's huge.
This is tame compared to Hagrid's.
Hagrid's was slow, it had brakes. This is the queue, I think.
Yeah, let's see what time it's at.
Oh, we'll just get in it.
What's it saying now?
25.
25?
that'll do.
No, that's not too bad. Here comes our lift. sensations when you go backwards.
I know, I'm tight.
That really makes you feel different forces.
Especially on a full stomach.
Yeah. Oh dear.
Oh, can we go in it, Dad?
Maybe later. Give me a chance to come back to Earth.
That's 55.
55? No, that's not actually that bad.
It's a kids one though, I think.
Oh, right.
No, it's not. It's not adults one. It's just small.
He's cool. Wow, that was... I've never done Everest before.
No, I can't.
I was here when I last came, but I just didn't get a chance to do it. I think it had only just been built. The queues are huge. That is a weird sensation. It really is.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright. And for the first time in a long time,
They got a lot wetter than us.
I got more wet.
Too bad, just feel a bit dizzy with it spinning round.
Lion King.
Welcome, everyone. It's me, Simba. You've all picked a very special day to visit. You see, today, we've come to town for a big celebration, and you, my friends, are invited to join in the fun.
I'll be
Yeah, I'll do. Back tonight to see the fireworks at Magic Kingdom.
Look at them, they're cool, aren't they, Ella?
And Mickey! And Mickey!
Wow, that's a lot of money. Quite the chaos to get out. It's only 10 minutes to meet Mickey. End of another long day. I think we're in about day 8, 9 at the moment. The pool looks really inviting right now. It's 10 o'clock. The pool looks so inviting. It's so humid tonight. But it's worth watching the fireworks. God, it's so busy getting out of there. But home sweet home ish. And end of the night.